Hello everyone. Welcome to the second part of how to write a proper technical report. This is going to be the second part of a 7-part series. This is from the paper code HMHU 501 and the subject name is Effective Technical Communication. So let us now start with the topic. In this video, we will focus on the structure and organization of a technical report. In academic and professional environments, technical reports are used to communicate information clearly, logically, and accurately. In this session, we will learn why well-structured reports matter and walk you through each key section in a standard technical report format. Now, before we go into the parts of a report, let us first understand why structure is important. A good structure should have the following points. Number 1, it should provide a logical flow of ideas. Number 2, it should help the readers to locate information quickly. Number 3, it must reflect professional and academic standards. Number 4, it should enhance clarity, readability, and credibility. So, a technical report is not just about what you say, but how effectively you can present it. Now let us come to the main sections of a technical report. A typical technical report is divided into major sections arranged in a logical sequence. These usually include: Number 1, the title page. Number 2, abstract or executive summary. Number 3, table of contents. Number 4, introduction. Number 5, methodology or procedure. Number 6, results. Number 7, discussion or analysis. Number 8, conclusion and recommendations. And number 9, references and appendices. You must remember that each section has a specific purpose and together they ensure that the report is complete, correctly structured, and that it is easy to follow. Now let us begin with the title page and abstract. The title page includes the report title, author's name, organization or institution, and the date of submission. Next comes the abstract. The abstract is a brief summary of the entire report. It usually has around 150 to 250 words. It covers the objective, method, key results, and conclusion. Although it appears at the beginning, it is usually written last after the full report has been completed. Next, we have the table of contents. This section provides page numbers for each chapter or heading in the report. If your report contains multiple tables and figures, you may also include list of tables and list of figures. A proper table of contents makes navigation easier, especially in longer reports. Now, let us start with the introduction portion of the report writing. The introduction sets the stage for your report. Here you explain: Number 1, the purpose of your report. Number 2, the background or context. Number 3, the problem or issue being addressed. Number 4, the scope and objectives. Number 5, definitions of any key terms. Number 6, any limitations or boundaries of the study. You must think of the introduction as the starting point that helps the readers understand why the report exists. Next, we come to the methodology or the procedure section. The methodology section describes how the study or the project was carried out. It should include: Number 1, materials and equipment used. Number 2, steps or procedures followed. Number 3, tools, software or techniques applied. Number 4, any assumptions or experimental conditions. You should remember that this section must be detailed enough so that someone else can replicate your work if necessary. Using clear subheadings often makes this section easier to read. Next, we come to the results and discussion portion. The results section presents your findings. You must use tables, graphs, charts, figures to help the reader understand the result that you have produced. It also helps to communicate the data clearly. The discussion section explains what the results mean. Here you interpret the outcomes, highlight patterns or trends, and point out the limitations. But you must also remember, results is what you found and the discussion is what the findings mean. So, you must avoid mixing raw data with interpretations. Keep the two sections separate for clarity. Now, we come to the conclusion and the recommendations portion. The conclusion section summarizes the major findings in a concise manner. It should directly address the objectives stated in the introduction. On the other hand, the recommendations suggest practical solutions or future improvements that can be based on the findings. No new information should be introduced here. You must only have insights based on what has already been discussed. Now let us come to the references and appendices portion. The references section lists all sources that you have consulted, such as books, research papers, websites, or manuals. You must use a consistent citation style such as IEEE or APA. The appendices include supporting material that is important but not essential to show in the main body, such as raw data, calculations, codes, or questionnaires. You must label each appendix clearly, such as Appendix A, Appendix B, and so on. Next, we come to the logical flow example. A well-structured report follows a clear logical flow. It starts with the problem, then it explains the method, then it produces the results, then it helps in the interpretation of the results, and finally we have the conclusion. This ensures that the reader understands what you did, how you did, and why you did it. Also, what you found and what it actually means. Now, let us summarize what we have learned so far. Technical reports follow a standardized structure. Each section has a specific purpose. Clear organization improves readability, accuracy, and professionalism. Understanding the structure helps you to communicate your ideas effectively. Now, thank you all for watching the video. In the next session, we will discuss writing style and language in technical reports. Now, if you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to share this video with your friends, classmates, and your teammates.